Hey guys, this is American Tourister Whim Softside Expandable Luggage with a spinner back. So this is a black color two-piece set. So one is the carry-on with a medium size and then check-in bag. So you can see the quality here. It's a fabric outside, nicely built, and then is the 360-degree rotating wheels. So that's really helpful in the travel. So there is a one zipper on the top so that you can just open it up. And then there is a one carry-on inside. So let me just take this. You can extend the handle. There are certain inside fabric thing that you can adjust with this elastic strap as well, and also a small pouch that you can use to put in the stuff. So it's a nice design overall, and American Tourister is a good quality for the spinner and the wheels. So this is really nice. So the same thing also with the carry-on.